Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today, you'll be learning about some nouns that you can use to refer to people in the Filipino language. Starting with kaibigan. This means friend. Ka-i-bi-gan. Kaibigan. 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 Kaibigan mo ba siya? Oo, kaibigan ko siya. Hindi ko siya kaibigan lang. Boyfriend ko siya. Kasosyo. This translates to business partner. Ka-so-syo. Kasosyo. 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 Kasosyo ko siya sa tindahan. Kasosyo mo ba sila? Oo, kasosyo ko po sila. Tindera. This means vendor or seller. Tin-de-ra. Tindera. 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 Siya yung tindera sa amin. Maraming tindera sa mall. Saan po yung tindera? Estudyante. This is student in English. S-tu-jan-te. Estudyante. 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 Estudyante niyo po ako. Isang estudyante po. Estudyante ka ba? The last is negosyante. This is businessman or businesswoman in English. Ne-go-syan-te. Negosyante. 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 Negosyante po ako. Negosyante ka ba talaga? Oo, negosyante ako. These are just some of the most common Filipino nouns to refer to people that can be useful during your stay in the country. Let's practice. This means friend. Kaibigan. This is business partner. Kasosyo. Vendor or seller. Tindera. This is student. Estudyante. Businessman, businesswoman. Negosyante. I hope you find them helpful, especially the next time you encounter and talk to some locals. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.